Hey guys, this is Draja08, and this is a video about the X Pro Hawk 125cc, 17 wheels in the front, 14 in the back, 34-inch seat height, 4-speed manual. It's pretty wide from right there, from right here. Looks amazing. The carb is better than my X26. This bike is literally better than all the Chinese bikes I've owned. Carb is amazing, clutch is smooth, and 4-speed. And it looks pretty good. I got the black because red in the Hawk didn't look that good. But yeah, now I'm gonna sit on it. I'm 5'4", and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on somebody that's 5'4", and I'm gonna start it and kind of drive it around. Okay, so this is how the bike's looking right now. It's on the stand, and so this is 5'4", 34-inch seat height, so right there, and it's a great bike. Sounds great. This is my feet when I'm on the bike, and it's literally great. And so, gas on, now we're going to start the bike. Make sure it's neutral.